This is the WORKPRO magnetic socket rail and wrench organizer set. The company sent this to me so I could check it out. Really nice packaging when you do this. It's very nice overall. It explains exactly what it is on the front. It did have a seal at the bottom. I just opened up the seal and I just open it up right here. And this is what you get inside here. It has a really nice weight to it. This is going to be made very well. Just have the promotional materials right here. A little bit instruction manual. Let's just open it up and see what we did right here. So first we have the wrench rails here. So let's open it up here. See, this is really packaged really nicely. So this is going to be the wrench holders right here. This is going to hold, it's got 12 slots on here and you get 2 of them. Magnets on the back, so this can be very well magnetized wherever you're going to stick this. It's going to hold up very well, but holds 12 wrenches. This one is blue. And then you have this one here. Another one, this is going to hold 12, again, magnetized on the back. So you have one blue one and one red one. Again, really nice, high-quality item here. I like how the wrenches are just going to sit in here. These have some really bendable areas right here, so you not have to really fuss with it. The magnet's just going to hold it together. The wrench is just going to pull right out here. So, again, they did a really nice job in the packaging here. So inside here, we're going to have 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 drive units. So each one of these is going to hold 10 to 12 sockets here. So let's just open one of them up and see what one of them looks like right here. But then you have all 3 of them. You have the 1/2 inch, the 3/8, and the 1/4 inch drive. So let's see what we got here. So this is just made really nice. You could see magnetized again. You can just see here, let's see, let's get it off. And then again, this is going to hold, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is going to hold 10 of them. So this is going to be the 3/8 or the 1/2 inch right here. And then again, you get 2 of these. And then right here you have the red one. Let's open the red one up and see what we get. This is going to have the, this is the 1/4 inch right here. So you're going to get 12. You're going to be able to put 12 sockets on here. And again, it's made very nice. This is, the magnets on here are just very phenomenal. So again, this is what you're looking at right here. Holds 12. This is the 1/4 inch. And then just has the magnets in the back right here. And again, just overall very nice products. This WORKPRO brand looks like they really put together a nice set here. So if you're looking to get the organizer set, you're going to be able to display all of your wrenches and sockets, easily make them accessible. And then you have the sockets, the wrench set here. So this looks like a really great product here.